Good morning, students. Now it's your first period of computer science. In last period, we have been started chapter 4, that is writing with styles and colors, and learn about the formatting toolbar and its option. Today we are going to discuss and learn about the format painter. First, what is format painter? Format paintbrush tool is used to copy formatting from a text selection in writer or from an object and apply the formatting to another text selection or object. Now, how can we use the format painter? There are the steps to use the format painter. Step 1. First of all, select the text in writer or object whose formatting you wish to copy. Step 2. From the standard toolbar, click the format paintbrush icon as you see the picture shown in this image. The cursor change the paint bucket. Step 3. Select or click the text or object in writer on which you wish to apply the formatting. Students, note this point. If you wish to apply the formatting to more than one selection, double click on the format paintbrush icon. After you have applied the entire formatting, click the icon again. Now, you can see here two pictures in which the format of the first line is copied to the next line using format painter. As you see in this picture. Here I am Mr. Painter. Format is copied in I am Alice. Similarly, the format of smiley is copied on rhombus by using format painter. There are two examples in which we are trying to show the function of format painter in this picture and in this picture. Students, it is very handy tool and can be used for making appearance of headings and subheadings in newspapers, magazines, charts, brochures and resumes. Here we can use the format painter by which we can directly copy the format of one text or object to the and apply it into the next or other text or object. Students, I hope you understand this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.